All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are breaking down the exact playbook for how to create social media ads using just AI. And not just any ads, but ads that are ridiculously profitable. If you've been wanting to tap into AI for your brand, you are definitely going to want to stick around for this.
So, how profitable are we talking about? Well, a single ad campaign using the exact method we're about to walk through pulled in $5,000. And here's the part that's just wild. That happened in under 72 hours. So we're not just talking about creating ads, we're talking about doing it with unbelievable speed and efficiency.
Okay, so step one, and this is probably the most important step of the whole process, you have to create your digital persona. Think of this as the consistent face of your brand. If you don't get this right, none of the other stuff works, because this is the foundation for making your AI believable.
And this quote from the source material just hits the nail on the head. You know that feeling when you can just tell something is AI? A lot of the time, it's because the person in the ad looks different from one scene to the next. It completely shatters the illusion. Consistency is everything if you want it to feel authentic. Now, here is a major pro tip. To avoid those kind of weird, distorted, funky-looking AI faces, you need to start with a photo of a real person. Seriously. You find a good reference photo, and that gives an AI character tool like Nano Banana Pro a clean, realistic baseline to work from. It's absolutely essential for a natural-looking result. Okay, so once you've got that consistent persona locked down, it's time for step 2, generating the scene. This is all about creating the world your ad lives in, you know? It sets the entire tone and gives context for your product. So where do you find that inspiration? Well, it really depends on what you're selling. If you're in fashion, Pinterest is an absolute goldmine. But let's say you're selling electronics or something for the home, you're better off using a tool like Social One. It shows you what video styles are already going viral, so you know what works. Now, I need you to really hear this part because it's crucial. You cannot just type a simple sentence into an image generator and expect magic. It just doesn't work that way. A simple prompt will get you a simple and, frankly, a pretty poor output. So how do you get that amazing output? You use a tool like ChatGPT to create an amazing input. Just look at the difference here. You can take a simple idea, like girl in mirror selfie, combine it with a reference image, and ask ChatGPT to turn it into this incredibly rich, complex prompt that gives the AI every little detail it needs. And let me share a little mistake from the source that you can learn from. The creator didn't proofread the big prompt from ChatGPT. So the AI generated this incredible image of a model wearing these amazing pants, but she wasn't wearing any shoes. It's a tiny detail, but it can totally ruin the vibe. So lesson learned, always read the prompt before you hit generate. All right, we've got our persona,